vision challenged that tried to drop in, and he hasn't shared it. So I can't. I want to say anything.
I think.
Am I good friends with him?
You might be good friends with him.
He did not actually. Oh,
he tried.
Man,
He tried.
And it was so upsetting that it wasn't Brad to share.
That was on him. You know, it's on.
You don't want to say his name?
No, I don't, because I don't. I think he wants to do it.
He would love the shout out. He is a maniac. He sends me videos.
Wait, was his name Dan?
No,
Not Dan.
Dan's his friend.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
But he sent me a video recently dropping in on a thing about this.
Yeah, a wall ride.
And it went to Vert.
Right.
And he made it. And he goes, "Do you think I could drop in on Vert if I do that?" And I was like, "No."
Yes, I did the same thing. He sent me the same video, and I said, "That is not a vert wall. That's a wall ride.
Yeah.
And you're smashing into the ground."
Yeah.
But yeah, he tried and went in, cleared all the transition, and went into a backside revert on the way down. It's not good. It's not good.
But he didn't get knocked out, got up.
No, he got up so excited that he tried it.
Yeah, because he's that.
Yeah.
He's like that. He's the most inspirational guy. Between him and Tony, I feel like that has helped me. Because I'm old, man, and I took a long time off.
Sorry, Anthony.
When I skated.
Had to.
Yeah, you got. Yeah, shout out to Anthony. You're a fucking legend, dude. You're a legend.
The best part of it was he slammed, and it was scary. It was the worst case scenario in every aspect. And he got up, and I was like, "Are you okay?" And he goes, "Yeah, are you okay?"
He's an animal.
And he's walking away from the ramp like, "Yeah, are you okay?" Because I'm done with this. This is, yeah.
It sounds like he's saving it to be the ender on his part more than he did.
I know he's capable. He wasn't working his way up to it. He was only doing my 5-foot quarter pipe before that. And it was like, you got to have some, you got to work your way up to at least a vert wall. And I don't have that luxury here. He didn't care.
He pumped up to the vert with us, watching and kind of encouraging him and sort of saying, "Hey man, lean left," you know what I mean? Because he was going off the side sometimes. But he got up to vert and made it, but he was like, "Oh," and then came back in, and we were like, "Oh," and he goes, "I felt it. I was on vert." I'm like, "Yep, you were." Drop in. I'm like, "No. Still, answers for that one is still no." A bit more. Let's go a little bit longer before